If you've watched YouTube advice before, you must have probably heard, post consistently, have good thumbnails, just be yourself. But let me tell you the truth, some of those advice are incomplete. So today I want to show you what will actually make your channel blow up in 2026 without exaggerating or selling you dreams. Just clear, honest strategy that works even if you have 0 subscribers, 0 editing skills, no fancy camera. Let's dive into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm has changed. Yes, it keeps changing. This year, YouTube doesn't care about your niche, your posting schedule, your consistency, or how long you've been on YouTube. YouTube cares about one thing, and that is, does your video hold attention more than other videos on same topic? That is, if viewers click and stay, YouTube pushes you. And if viewers click and leave, YouTube stops pushing your videos. So this should be your real focus in 2026. Your hook should have a clear topic, good storytelling, and solid information that people are searching for. Here are the 4 formats that dominate YouTube right now. Number 1, challenges. Number 2, experiments. And number 3, transformations. People love results. Another type of video that blow up is tutorial videos. Another one is reaction videos. Reacting to viral strategies, creators, trends, but adding values to those videos. Now let's talk about how to make people stay longer watching your videos, because that is what YouTube wants, right? Cut out dead moments. If you repeat too much, ramble, people get tired and click away. Another way to make people stay longer is switching every 4 to 7 seconds, like adding B-rolls to your videos. B-roll is what I just added right now. As I'm speaking in the background, you can see something else on the screen. That is a B-roll. Adding text, screen recording, those things make people stay longer watching, so your video is not boring. Another way to make people stay longer watching your videos is that you shouldn't give everything at once. So talk about something you will share later, like say something like, at the end of the video, I am going to be showing you the best part of, you understand what I mean? So let's say your topic is about how to grow on YouTube, then you'll be like, at the ending part, you give your best strategy, right? So yeah, that's to make people stay longer watching. Another way to make people stay longer is talk like you are talking to your friend. Don't be too serious. Let your videos be engaging. Now, part 4, let's talk about the secret to growing faster. Now, the secret to growing faster is quantity, quality, and clarity. Quantity creates clarity, clarity creates quality, and quality creates growth. So the quantity, when you have more videos, it gives you clarity on what people want, what your audience is searching for, what topics people click on. Now, clarity creates quality. When you are clear on the types of videos to create, you start making more quality videos on that. So if you want to blow up, post at least 3 to 4 times every week for the first 90 days. Your first 20 to 30 videos teach you your style, your speed, your retention, and your audience. You won't know your best content until you've tested enough. So here is the real truth. It takes time. Your video ideas matter more than your camera. Your energy matters more than your aesthetic. And lastly, your consistency matters more than your fear. So if you want to grow in 2026, you'll be needing strong topics, high retention, fast improvement, and believe in yourself. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button so YouTube can show my video to more people. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so right away. Comment below on the next video you would like to see on this channel, and I'll make sure to do that.